All right, so I've got some audio that I need to clean up. I'm going to drag it into Spectralayers. And my problem that I have is the start of the audio has sort of a hiss. And that's going to be going through the whole video, and I don't want that. If I hold Control and do the mouse wheel up and down, I get zoom this way, and then I can also hold Shift to scooch around, or I can hold Control Shift and zoom in like this. And that's going to let me scoot over and look at this part here where that frequency is occurring. The thing is, if it's hard to see, you can come up here to this display thing, and you can sort of tell it what the boundaries of the display are in terms of the sound amplitude. So I can reduce the min amplitude, and then it's gonna make everything brighter. And that means right here I can see that frequency that is kind of pesky that I want to get rid of. So there it is, and you can see it's occurring through the whole video. Okay, how do you get rid of it? You go to denoise, and you need to register the noise. To register, you have to select the noise, and then you register it. It creates sort of a profile. And then what you want to do is you can click off of your selection. That's how you get rid of the selection box. And then do Control A. You're selecting all, and then hit apply. Okay, now that I've done that, I'll play the video, and that hum will be gone from that level. There will be other sounds, right? But there won't be that particular computer sounding hum. But right, let's maybe see if we can attack some of those other sounds. Let's find out what we can do here. If I bring down that min amplitude, see, that's interesting. We can see that part that we attacked and made a great reduction of sound there, right? Let's listen to this part up here. We're gonna use the select tool, and anything you select, you just listen to that. Okay, so I hear there's that hum. Maybe I want to do something with that. Let's see if we can improve even further. So again, let's go to our denoise, register that noise. It creates a different profile. Select all, apply. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the clean version, and then I'm going to Control Z back to the original. To me, that's a lot better. I mean, you've lost that really annoying sound. Certainly a pro could do this better than I could, but just to be able to come in and fix that. I've also used Spectralayers to remove clarinet squeaks from friends' concert recordings. And so yeah, it's a great tool. I'm really excited by it. It also has an insane stem separator that is so clean. Once the parts are separated out, it just sounds real. You know, like each part doesn't sound garbled really at all. Anyways, I digress. That's how you remove noise from audio that has a sort of a hum or a hiss from a computer.